Hello, I'm Gordon Ritchie, and today we are looking at the interrupt timer. In some applications, there are processes that must begin and end within a specified amount of time. If they are not completed within the set amount of time, another event may need to take place, such as stopping the process or setting off alarms. In this simple program, we can point out the key points of the interrupt timer. In this example, we are using two interrupts. In the main program, we turn on the interrupt for digital input 1 transition to high and set the virtual timer to 5,000 milliseconds, or 5 seconds. The first interrupt will trigger off digital input 1 on a transition to high. It will turn on the digital output 1 and turn on the interrupt timer. The last step is to turn the interrupt for digital input 1 transition to high back on. Otherwise, it will work as a single shot. The second interrupt is the timer. This program will enter this interrupt when the timer has counted down from 5,000 to 0. In this interrupt, digital output 1 is turned off. Now we simulate a real-world situation. This conveyor has two sensors. The part passes the first sensor, triggering the timer for the interrupt. The second sensor will reset the interrupt as long as the part passes in the specified time. Otherwise, the timer will time out, and this will trip the interrupt program. In this case, it will stop the conveyor and flash the lights. While this is a simple code, it can be quite powerful, and there are many applications that can benefit from the timer interrupt, making sure the event is completed in the proper time. I'm Gordon Ritchie. I'll see you next time.